In this video, I'm going to discuss why you need a research mindset and what exactly does that mean. But not only that, if you stay tuned, I'm going to show you two amazing websites that you can use to track stocks, find stocks, and see how good they actually are. So getting into it right now, what is a research mindset? A research mindset is when you stop being a herd follower, when you stop thinking like everyone else and you start thinking for yourself. This is a crucial key, a crucial skill that all investors and traders need to be successful in the market. The reason why I say this is because, yes, where the herd goes, the stock market tends to follow. But if you want to be the first before a stock takes off, if you want to be in it before the stock actually starts to rip, before you start to hear news about it, then you need to start coming up with your own ideas, with your own opinions, with your own research on stocks. So that's going to be the importance of today's video, is the research mindset, learning how to think for yourself, learning how to assess stocks for yourself, and then in turn making your own opinions. Whether you're right, whether you're wrong, it doesn't matter. You just need to have your own opinion on a stock. You need to have your own opinion on anything in life. It's just how it works. If you stand for nothing, you'll fall for anything. So anyways, let's get Anyways, let's jump into it right now. So guys, the first website I want to show you is tradingview.com. I know you see me use this a ton of times, but the reason why I want to showcase this is because it allows you to look at the stock's history. What you want to be seeing on a stock is you want to be seeing the stock go from the bottom left-hand corner up to the top right-hand corner. That means the stock is going up in value. So that's the first thing you want to look at to assess and start your research. Look and see, is the stock uptrending? Does the stock actually increase in value? Because the stock is an asset and you want your asset to increase in price. The next thing is on here, they have so many amazing things. So they have ideas here where other people can share their ideas, and that can help you, give you ideas. You should not be stealing their ideas. That's why I hate things like stock twits, because people just go, this stock's going to the moon, and then everybody believes them because they're all herd mindset people and they're not actually doing their own research. But yeah, so you can do stuff like that. Now the next one that I really love and stresses the point of herd following is this. Here is an example of Kodak, and what this website is, it's called RobinhoodTrack.net. So it shows the number of Robinhood users that buy a stock compared to that stock's price. So what I want to show here is hardly nobody owned Kodak before it shot up on news of them getting funding. And what I mean by that is, if you would have focused on the stock, if you would have learned what's going on with the market, how this company will react, you could have been here before this initial move. But if we're looking at this green line, which shows how many Robinhood investors now own this stock, it shot up when this stock shot up, which means most people bought here near the top, near $40, $45, and now it's down to $20, which means most investors, most Robinhood investors, because they were following the crowd, lost 50% of their portfolio, or 50% of the money that they put into the stock. Guys, that's huge. That shows, do not follow everyone else. It's called FOMO, the fear of missing out. You want to have JOMO, the joy of missing out. You want to be able to make profit and then sell to those people who are buying here, right? You want to buy here and sell here, not buy here and sell here. That's the opposite way of doing it. And anyways, I just wanted to feature this Robinhood track because it shows really cool stuff over the number of Robinhood shares versus other stuff. Also, if you look here on, this one, it also shows how many Robinhood positions are being taken compared to the overall market. It just shows some cool stuff. So again, all these links will be below. Now, for those who want to get more into a fundamental aspect of it, you can check out research.tradeking.com. You want to use the direct link that I'm including in the description, because that kind of logs you into the back end and you don't have to create an account. But do that after this video is over so that you learn how and why to use it. So the most important feature here is the fundamentals tab. So it shows you all the different ratios of each stock, and then it compares it to the industry average. So the price to earnings, the book value, the earnings per share. If you don't know what this is, you can definitely Google all these terms, or you can listen to my podcast coming up soon on, I'm going to break down all these terms and stuff in a simple, easy, and digestible way. So definitely go to the link below and subscribe to my podcast on whatever platform you love listening to it on. But what I love is that it just shows everything, and it also compares it to the industry average. Something that I also love is this Insiders tab. If you click on the Insiders tab, it shows you prominent members of the company who are buying and or selling stock in that company. So for instance, here we have directors. Warren is selling a lot. But then we have the senior vice president. He's buying, he sold first. And so you can see what's going on here. So a lot of selling is happening in this range. We had a lot of buying in this range. And it just shows a lot of cool things that I just love, because it shows you what's happening behind the company. What does the management think of this stock? What does the management say is going to happen in the future? And typically the management knows more than you do. So if you're seeing that they're selling, that may be a bad sign, but you also want to tie it back to when they bought. All right, guys, this has been the research mindset. Please start adopting. Please start thinking for yourself in life, in stocks, in whatever you're doing. Create your own opinion and be open to hearing the other side. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please smash that subscribe button and check out the links below.